A tree in which the bark and leaves are used as an expectorant. What tree is it? Introducing Dapdap, Erythrina orientalis of the family Fabaceae. The genus Erythrina comes from the Greek word erythros, meaning red, which refers to the color of the flowers in many species of this genus. The species name orientalis comes from the Latin for eastern, indicating the plant's native range in tropical and subtropical regions of Asia. Dapdap is a deciduous, fast-growing, medium-sized tree with high ornamental value because of its stunning reddish flowers. This species is widely distributed in the Philippines and is usually found along the seashore and frequently planted inland. Aside from being used as a source of pulp and paper, its wood is also used to make spears, shields, traps, outriggers for canoes, and flutes for fishing nets. Its soft white wood is easy to carve and is used to make statues and toys. Various parts of this plant have medicinal uses. A sweetened decoction of bark and leaves is used as an expectorant, a medicine that promotes sputum secretion by the air passages used to treat coughs. The bark is also used to facilitate the maturation of boils. Leaves and roots are used as a febrifuge. A decoction of leaves can treat cough and asthma, while a decoction of dried bark or infusion in alcohol is used for lumbar and leg pain. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.